Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 26th, Friday morning. Grain markets as we speak are mixed. They've been softer overnight. Corn was down 4 cents. We bounced back from that. So soybeans down still 7 to 10 cents as we speak. Some of the reasons for the weakness, we believe, is the Chinese market overnight was lower in soybeans and meal. Corn market was steady in a Dalian exchange overnight. The news started yesterday afternoon when Dow U.S. Beef Index Fund announced they're rebalancing positions and moving sizable positions in soybeans. Selling those is what they're suggesting they'll do. Now, this rebalancing is supposed to take place between the 5th and the 9th of January, although traders are looking at it, wow, this is a lot of positions that have to be adjusted, so it caused some negative reaction to the market yesterday as there just wasn't any bullish news to provide support. The surprises in this rebalancing is that they're suggesting they need to sell a large amount of Kansas City wheat and soybean meal, which they haven't done in the past. Also, the market is being affected by fund rolling of positions, where they're getting out of long positions in the nearby contracts, moving to the deferreds, causing a carry in some markets, and we think that's an opportunity for many traders to look at here. Is once this rolling is done, the nearby cash markets, as strong as they are, could provide some support to these nearby contracts. So we'll have to watch that closely, and a reason to stay in touch with Allendale's advisory on that issue. The weather situation, South America, more so northern Brazil. Now, they did get some rain yesterday across Mato Grosso. That is expected to be positive there. Weather forecasts have more rain for later next week across this region, and this is the region that's extremely dry. So don't know if we got enough yet to relieve the dryness, but certainly helpful in those areas that got rain. Brazil or Argentina, however, still very wet. The Buenos Aires exchange talking about the concern of delayed plantings now, so we're getting a little attention there as we move along, even though it's not a very we still got time to plant in that area, but the extreme wet conditions are creating some concern. Here in the U.S., cash markets a little softer yesterday at the close on the corn and the soybeans. The freight market down at the Gulf is still very high, so causing some slowdown in movement there, but there is still a bit of demand. But yesterday's weekly export numbers showed that pretty dismal export sales on corn and even on soybeans, where the trade was looking for a much better number. So not a lot of positive news circulating yesterday, and that's carrying through here to this morning, as we're not seeing any bullish enthusiasm. I think the support will come from the stronger or very positive cash basis that we have here in the Midwest and in the corn and the soybeans. Technically, some key numbers to watch here today. December corn, 732 area is a key number. That was a low made after the last USDA report in the December corn contract. 1550 seems to be a swing number in the November beans. And the $9 area is resistance in wheat. If we would take that out, close above that, we could see some more buying kick into the wheat contract. We do have option expiration today in the November contract. That could cause some adjustments here late in the session. In the livestock trade, we did have cash cattle trade yesterday at 127, basically steady compared to a week ago. Cutout values yesterday, choice only down 1 cent, select down 137. Now that was an adjustment from Wednesday when we had the select up sharply, so just bringing that back into line. The sell-off we had in futures yesterday after the announcement of the cash sale, I think most are attributing that to technical selling. We took out some trend line support there and made a lot of people nervous. A lot of some long liquidations, profit taking, pushed that market down. In the pork complex, cutout values there were up 25. We've seen some spreading between cattle and hogs to support the pork complex, but overall, still very nervous there as the supply of pork is burdensome right now. A key number in the December hogs that we need to watch here in the near term is the 77.62 area. If we would take that out on a closing basis or an intraday basis, we think there could be some additional selling triggered if we break that point. So some reasons to stay in touch with your Allendale broker. If you got any questions, give us a call here at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a successful trading Friday, and we will talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.